Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here with day number 18 of my Christmas catch-up series, Layout a Day. And today I'm starting with a sketch again by Scrapbook Generation. They're all going to be Scrapbook Generation this month. This one is by Allison Davis. And it is a 3-photo sketch, and I do have 3 photos here. So I will cut them down in order to get them all on this one-page layout. And I'm not showing the sketches because they are paid content. I pulled out 3 different sheets of paper from the 'Twas the Night Before Christmas from Echo Park. Anywho, super pretty papers. Oh, isn't that pretty? And that one too. Oh, that one's got cut aparts on the back if I decide I want to use any of those. Okay, so I've pulled these 3 papers in, and then I pulled in a piece of craft cardstock to be my background. So I'm not pulling anything in advance. I'm just going to go for it, kind of like I've been doing off and on throughout this series. I think it helps me stay more motivated because when I pull in things and then I don't use them, it doesn't feel right like it would with just a regular kit because I have so much around me. And it's just easier for me to dig through all of the different embellishments and everything that's around me as opposed to trying to figure out what to pull in advance. I know it probably doesn't make a bit of sense to you guys. Anywho, so I'm going to get started on this and I will be back to show you what I have created in just a minute. Okay friends, I am done with layout number 18. Woo! Another day done. I finished off 3 bits of bling. I had 1 little flatback pearl on this sheet, and then I had a row of little flatback red pearls, and then one of the flourish pieces. I don't know if you, well, maybe if I can catch it in the right light. How about I just show you? It was the other half of this one. Anywho, so those will go in my trash. As for the papers that I used all that I had out. The craft for the background, and then these 3 papers for the foreground, and then I pulled in this sheet to outline my photos or to map my photos with. So, as for the rest of the layout, I used this font from American Crafts, and it's called Twilight to complete my title. A portion of my title, and then I use this one, an old one from Close to My Heart, to do the rest of my title. I used some of the bitty bling and the medium bling from this sheet. Here's some more of those flat back red pearls. I needed a few more. These are a little bit tinier than the other ones that I pulled in, but they worked. I used 3 of the smallish stars from this sheet. From here, I used the little dots. These ones here, I had multiples on here and then a couple from here that I used. From this sheet, I used 3 of the phrases here. From here, I pulled my year. From here, I took part of this journal spot here. It had some Christmas trees on them, and I fussy cut those out. This is really old. 2012, Cartabella, 2012. I'm just sometimes, and this one's 2013. I didn't realize I had some of this stuff for so long in my Christmas stash. There's not a date on this one, but yeah, they're older. And then this set from My Mind's Eye, I used a chipboard tree here and then some chipboard trees from down here. And here is the layout that I created. This was one of the sketches from the 6x6 class that Allison Davis did a couple of years where she put a Facebook group together. There was a book that came with it, an inspiration on her Facebook group, and I mean, it was just an amazing class. I called it a class. It wasn't really a class. It was just, you know, just participating with an inspiration from other people taking the same doing the same project at the same time. There was tons of inspiration. So this one called for the 6x6, 3 pieces of 6x6 paper, and then stitching around this one and then around this one. And of course, you guys know when I'm pressed for time, I'm going to do the techniques that take a little bit more time, right? Don't we all do that? And then when this one was done, it felt a little bit flat still. It felt something was missing. So I just took a black Sharpie and I went around the edges, and then I did that faux stitching thing in a couple of spots. Can you see that? Anywho, so there's the trees that I cut out there. There's the 3 little phrases from that one sticker sheet, and there's that one flat back green pearl. I just needed something. I put a few of the gold dots there. I put some bitty blings, those amber color ones here, the red ones here. I put some of those amber bitty blings on this Christmas tree, and then the red flat back pearls on this Christmas tree, and then of course the flourish down here. And then I used, oh, that's what I forgot to show you, these little enamel stars. I put 3 of them right here, and it just says what's going on around here is my title. Look at that face on my granddaughter. Can you see that? Oh my gosh, she was so funny. She walked around looking at everybody like that, like, what's going on? Why are there toys everywhere? Why are people playing with toys and hanging out? And what's going on? So she was kind of enamored with Christmas that year. Let's see, she was 2 in that one, in these photos. Yeah, because that was our last Christmas with her for quite a few years, up until last year. And she's 8. So anywho, fabulous Christmas memories. Love that. Another page done for the album. And I will have close-ups at the end of the video if you're interested in seeing those. If you want to see the other layouts that I have made with this same process going through, please feel free, head over to my playlist called December 2022, and it will have all the other layouts that I have made this month. And so if you want to be notified of future layouts that I do, hit that notification bell, and my newest layout will pop up on your feed every day until you stop the notification. Which I hope, if you press it, I hope you don't stop it. Anywho, guys, I so appreciate you being here and supporting my channel. Yeah, and I will see you guys on the next layout. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.